Chapter 15, Section 6, Discounts and Markups. How do I find the cost before a discount or a markup? Now, if you don't know these words, discount or markup, well, I imagine if you know one, you're going to know discount. Then today's your day. The fact is that things change cost, and that's important for you for a lot of reasons. You probably would rather buy things at a discount when they're cheaper than a markup when they're more expensive, but we'll get into that. Okay, a discount is a decrease in the original price of an item. So say you're at the store, they put something on sale. It means it's not as much as it was before. It costs less, which is a good thing. But then there's also markups. To make a profit, stores charge more than what they pay to buy a product. Stores don't make most stores, they don't make the products that they sell. They buy them from suppliers that make those products. And are they going to sell those products for the same amount that they bought them for? Of course not. Otherwise, they'd make no money. So there's an increase from what the store pays for the item to the selling price, what you have to buy it for, and that's called a markup. So the price goes up. Okay, how do I find the amount of a discount and the new price after the discount? Okay, and there's a little study tip here that says 25% discount is the same as equal to paying 75% of the original price. And that makes sense. Because in the, I think it was 15.5, you learned that the original price is 100%. So if it's discounted 25%, it goes down to 75% of the original cost. And that of means multiply. But anyways, the original price of a paper toothpick is 35 bucks. It must be a really good paper toothpick. But today is toothpick day. I love toothpick day. Oh, I'd like to also point out, get it? Okay, anyways, it's being sold for 25% off. Hey, that's cheaper. Find the amount of the discount and find the new price after the discount. Okay, so we're being asked two separate questions here. So the first question is, what's the amount of the discount? Well, the amount of the discount is going to be 25% of the original cost. So if you find 25% of the original cost, you find the amount of the discount. How do we do that? Well, that's 25% of 35, right? 35 bucks. So 25%, we have to write that as a decimal if we're going to multiply it by another decimal, 35. And then we multiply that, and I'm going to use my calculator here in the room because the one that I've been using on the computer has been freezing my computer, which is so awesome. And so I get the amount of the discount, I don't really have a lot of room here, but I'll figure out how to make it happen. Amount of discount is equal to, I got $8.75. That's how much, it's going down in cost. Now, once you have the original discount, you could just subtract $8.75 from 35 bucks. That's one way to find what the new price is going to be. But we're going to use this study tip here. If it's 25% off, and we'll make a little border here. If it's 25% off, what percent of the original cost is left? 75%, because 100% minus 25% is 75%. So really, we're finding 75%. To find how much you actually pay, 75% of 35 bucks. And just like finding the amount of discount, we're going to take that percentage, turn it into a decimal by dividing by 100. Of is multiplication. And then I get out my trusty calculator here in front of me, and I multiply 0.75 by 35, and I should get the final cost. And I get or new price, I should say. The new price is going to be equal to $26. $26.25. Just to remind you, yes, since we knew the amount of discount was $8.75, had we subtracted that from 35, we would have also gotten $26.25. Okay, the original price is always what percentage? It's always 100%. If the price is 25% off, the word blank means you should subtract 25% from blank. The word off means that you should subtract 25% from 100% to find that that new price will be 75% of the original price. All right, that's the end of part 1. I hope you're enjoying this because it's just so much fun. And my computer's freaking out, but I'll be right back.